by virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder, sir, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period and as set forth in this warrant of arrest.
Must be murders, hindi lang for detention, and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty. And there's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial yan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case? At that time, ninyo made the arrest. So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
Abusado kayo na sila. Abusado kayo na sila. Dili mo hindi dapat ato agianan.
Ayaw lagi.
Wala lagi warang. Bong, just being bong. Magsakay tayo lahat dyan.
Ayaw ko magsama kayo dito ay magkarga niya. Lakaw na, ayaw, ito ng bata, ayaw sila.
Ha? Yung si Bebe. Ano na kayo doon? Oo.
Nahuwara, bata.